We are making the most delicious breakfast frittata. My name is Marie-France Garon. You are on Healthy Cooking for Food Lovers. For our frittata, I have 8 eggs. I'm gonna add half a cup of cream. We have some spinach, 1 onion, 1 red pepper already cooked in the pan. We have some fresh parsley, some Swiss cheese. You can use whatever cheese you have. A little bit of Parmesan cheese as well. Salt, pepper, garlic powder, chili powder, paprika. All right, we have 8 eggs here, which I break already. But what I did is I separated some of the whites, 3 egg whites in this separate bowl, and the reason is just I like it more fluffy, and so I beat the egg white to finish it on top. But really it's okay if you just put all the eggs in the one bowl and make it all like this, that's fine as well, but you will see the difference at the end. So I like to do it that way. So we're gonna start beating our eggs first. Now to the eggs we're gonna add the cream, half a cup of cream here. And we're gonna just beat a little bit more. At this point I like to add the seasoning, so we'll add the pink salt, pink Himalayan salt. We're gonna put like 1 teaspoon of salt, some cracked pepper, we're gonna put about 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, so I just measure like this, 1/4 teaspoon. Now the chili powder, that's up to you how much you like. We'll put just a little bit here, just maybe a pinch. And then we're gonna put some beautiful paprika. So this one about 1/4 teaspoon as well of paprika. And then we can mix that together a little bit. All right, we just have to add everything else. 2 cups of spinach here, fresh spinach, our onion and our red pepper. The reason why I cook the onion and the pepper is to just release some of the moisture out of it, so our frittata stays together a little bit better, and it also releases a lot of the sugar out of the onion and it makes it delicious. So we'll add our parsley now in there, and our cheese. I have 1.5 cup of cheese. It is the Swiss cheese for today, and the Parmesan cheese I'll just sprinkle on top at the end. So everything is in the bowl here except the egg white, the 3 egg white, which we'll put on top, and a little bit of Parmesan on top as well. So we need to put that in our baking dish now. So we have our baking dish here. It's just a glass baking dish, and I put in there a parchment paper. Now the way that it's sitting like that, it's because when you put a parchment, it is difficult to place it inside your dish. So what I do is I put the paper under the water and wet it completely, and then it can go into your baking tray easily, and it stays like that. So it's going to be very easy when we want to take it out as well. So we just put all our frittata mix in the bowl here, all in there. So we're just going to spread it around like that evenly. So we're just going to beat up our egg white a little bit more. That's enough. And I'm just going to pour it all over here. And sprinkle a little bit of Parmesan on top. Should be lovely. If you like this recipe, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. It's gonna go into the oven at 350 Fahrenheit, 175 Celsius for 20 minutes. Et voila, our breakfast frittata. Now, I put it in the baking paper and I can just take it out like this. It's very, very easy and cut it. So let's have a look inside how it is. I'll make like probably 9 little square pieces, just like that, and like this, and then again, and here, and let's have a look. It's holding perfectly. We see our peppers and our spinach, of course, so it's perfect size for breakfast, and we can also serve that for lunch with a little side salad. You can eat it cold from the fridge as well, it's just as nice, or just from the oven, and it's all perfect and beautiful. Voila, our breakfast frittata. Bon appétit!